and even to kill them. We cannot accept that, and I have full understanding, full empathy with the women of our country. And in fact, all of us should join the voices of our women in protesting against gender-based violence. And of course, they want to demonstrate their anger, they want to demonstrate their disapproval of the way we men are treating the women of South Africa. So I have full understanding. And I did say during COVID that gender-based violence is another pandemic, because even during COVID, we saw gender-based violence rising to incredibly high levels. And it continues. And day after day, you hear of women being killed by men. And this must come to an end. And so the women of our country have good reason to want to protest. We are engaging with them, and we are dealing with the issues that they are raising. I have spoken a great deal of times against gender-based violence and calling on men of South Africa to treat the women of our country and the girls of our country with respect and with dignity as well. That rather than abuse women, we must be protecting the women of our country. So I have the full support for the anger and the disapproval that they are demonstrating.